In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Rapid List feature by uploading a CSV file. Like most auctioneers, we like to get things sold quickly. We also like to list our lots quickly, and this is a way to do it. It is another way to list your lots on the website besides using the Sell button over in the upper right-hand corner. So, the way you get started is click on My Account, Selling, Seller Tools, scroll down a little bit, find Rapid List, and here we are. Now, you can get as complicated or as minimalist as you wish. The first thing we suggest you do is to read the suggested way to use this function. You'll notice that this is why we emphasized previously pre-filled fields are very important. A lot of the information for your lot is automatically taken from that because we want to make your life easier as far as how much you have to type. Some of the things that you need to be familiar with is the term CSV, which is a file format. An example of the minimum required can be obtained by downloading the sample file. This is what the sample file looks like. You only need 3 fields. You would have your item title, description, and images. If you have your images up there on a server somewhere on the internet, images cannot be directly pulled in by the software through this CSV formatted file from your computer. If you have some kind of a spreadsheet function, you can very easily make the CSV file. All you have to do is remember to save the file as something like myfirstauction.csv, and then it'll be saved in the correct way. Now, if you want to get more complicated and override everything under the sun, you can. But I would highly recommend that you read what's under these tabs because you're going to have to know codes and all kinds of other information. So, to get started, we're going to assume that you made a CSV file and you have defined an auction. So, you'll select your auction. Previously, I had said a buyer's premium of 15% in my pre-filled fields. So, yes, I would like a buyer's premium. Now, I can start the sales now, or I can pick a custom time. I'm going to say, let's run these for 2 days. I do not want to end the lots all at the same time, so I want to stagger the ending. I'm going to close 2 per minute. Now here is where you would put in your area that you have your photos up on the internet. If you have such an area, you don't have to have that. So you can ignore that if you wish. Now we need to upload our CSV file. And I am going to upload one that has no images. And no images. It's up there pretty quick. I'm going to load it as a draft. I have read the terms and conditions, and then I click Upload. Now you don't want to leave this page until you get this type of a message. Otherwise, you might lose some data. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes. Matters on how quick your internet speed is and just exactly how much information you're trying to upload at once. Once things have been loaded correctly, I'm over here at the draft section. Since I asked it to be the draft, it has not started or opened up for bidding as of yet because it's a draft. So now I'm going to select my images. I can select groupings, more than one image at once if I want. Over here you see the bar. It is uploading the images from my computer. They have been successfully loaded. There they are. Now if I want to, I can rearrange these. I could also, by doing this, been able to drag and drop them in. So that's how I want them to be. I'm going to say save them. They've been put onto the listing. There's my picture. I can do another one. I just need one picture for this one. There it is. Save. And it's been uploaded. Lastly, and that's the last one. Now, once I save this, if I want, I can also go in and edit just this lot, or if I want to do some group function, I can select everything that is shown, and at this time I can just say list them all, delete them all, extend the closing time. Maybe I want to do it for another day or so. Change the starting bid since I did not override that in the CSV. So it went to the site default of starting as $1, except for this one that had this in the CSV file as overriding the site default of starting at $1. But maybe I want to change them all to be different. I want them all to start at $5. There we go. As I say, we try to make your life easy. And now they are ready to be listed. I'm all done. So all I have to do is just click on list. And they will go from draft to being listed. And there they are, recently listed. That's about, that's how it works. You'll have to do a bit of reading, but once you get over that initial learning curve, I think you'll find that it is a very fast way to list your lots. You could even, I imagine, create the CSV file spreadsheet on site with or without internet access. Take your pictures with a different device and come back, create the CSV file, put your photos on your computer, or use FTP, which is File Transfer Protocol, and put them into your space out there on the internet that you have for storing your photos. add that to your CSV file per the directions and examples, and there you go. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact us.